How to download Minecraft for free in 2025 on your PC. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, you need to open a new browser tab and search for Minecraft free trial. So basically you will get a free trial version of Minecraft for free use or downloading. So get that on mind and click on the first web link, Minecraft free trial for different devices, as you can see here. So you have to just scroll down and click whatever device you are using. If you're using Windows 10 or 11, you can click on here, or you can click on here if you're a PlayStation user, and you can click on here if you're an Android user. So there are two versions, like as you can see, the Minecraft Bedrock edition and the Minecraft Java edition. So you just have to simply click on any of the edition you want to like, or you want to use, or use the trial version. So just simply click on here and it will automatically start downloading. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.